Hello everyone, my name is Hariom Patel and today is my 13th day of English speaking practice. If I talk about my day is going well and now I'm feeling like good just because of completed I completed all my works well so far and today I want to discuss like something different topics like what is motivation like I today I prepared the topics what should like what should I speak when I start to record the video just I used to just I think that when I because last previous day when I was recording this video, so that day I realized that before recording the video you are some some you start to search something like what you speak what you have to speak while recording the videos, because if you have a content then you will speak like very good and you speak well manner and in a order like if you talk about like order speak like in a order and you use the like you use like he speaks structural way. So what is motivation? Like motivation means like uh, if you are doing something and like if you are doing something not like basically every person have a different goals, every person have different task when that task if that person will be completed, if will that person complete that our task that they feels like motivation like motivations is come basically day by day like frequently it's come like within the hours if I just like I have solved the motivations like moment it is not permanent. Why it is not permanent? Because the every moment human thinks like a different things, different thoughts comes to human's mind at that moment. Humans just like just you can say that like thought. What is thought? Like I have solved something, I have solved the problems like DSA problem. Just taking the example, I'm data structure and go the problem when I solve, then I feels like motivation. When I switch the next problem, when I used to when I start solve the next problem and that problem is I'm unable to when I start to struggle that problem that time I feel like demotivated. So this is the demotivation. So within the like you can just see that within the 1 hour I feel like there are two phases of like a humans. One phase is like destruction and another phase is one phase is motivation and another is demotivation. So this is not permanent and motivation like temporary. You can just you never think you don't think like motivations are like permanent. If you like someone like mostly um, like if like uh, any no one can जैसे कि मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ आई वॉन्ट टू स्पीक लाइक यदि इफ द एनी वन लाइक feels like pride at the peak moment or peak moment. So this is the good. This is not. This is bad thing, and this is the so. This phone. These things see like this showing like bad behavior because everyone life comes like ups and downs. If their life that this time the your life this time your life is full of happiness and full of motivation. So you don't think like this motivation is the permanent. You just think like this is the moment, and here it is the just like comes like some this motivation will this motivation comes this motivation have like few more moments, like a few moments, few hours, few months after the sometimes after few months after few months later this will gone, this will go, this will remove your life, this will so just you don't think like this way. And now if I now I am talking about like why man if I talk about like when I feel like a motivation, I am feeling like motivation mostly in the last. If I talk about my last few months ago, few months back when I go to the my when I go to the at that moment I feel like a demotivation. Why? Because I I had faced lots of problems in that month just because but I by God I all these things are happening with me and now I am feeling like happy just because of that moment and that this will be this this moment what's happening in my life it is good for my career and for my growth for my future plans because क्यों ज़रूरी है why does needs why does needs why does need why does I need just or if you want to get a success like mostly I let me tell you mostly in the all every videos I say you like motivate success means not like comes from your life like few days one day 2 days 3 days it take like huge time it takes like 2 months 3 months 1 year sometimes take 5 months it is five sorry it take long time like sometimes take 1 year sometimes take a 5 year take a 5 years and the few of the cases take the 10 years after but this you, you does not think like this the hard work going to the hard work will going to the lose in your life hard work is always gives you the satisfaction at the certain time after the certain time because because hard work is the real power of the human which have every person which have every person they and in this scenario like modern words like this time you can just say that this is the modern world if you have if you know the technology if you know the if you have something great about like skills then you can show and come and you can show the social media give the opportunity everyone gives the opportunity like if you have any skills like you start to uploading the videos you start to upload the videos like YouTube and connect with them like you start to study gives the exam like UPSC and all the courses are like teachers teach the online you have lots of opportunity to study with the good teachers like famous teacher good teachers means not there are two types of teachers famous and good teachers good famous teachers are you can also teach you can also study with the good teachers and famous teachers they teach the online like they have different principles from English and like PW physics and like different might be you can say that like what you can say I have recorded the 10 minutes of videos here and today I feel like quite nervous quite demotivated just I don't think like I gradually start to speak and now I think just I see how it's going my how as I how does I go my big videos but but I speak I start but I speak right currently good way to in this video and what does I learn while recording while speaking this video and now I comes back to the what why did why have I joined the why have I joined the engineering college I joined the engineering college just because of my growth, financial growth, and now I'm I'm feels like a very happy to join this college because this college have been provided a lots of opportunity in my life. So I'm very thankful to that college, and I'm definitely sure that I can do something different in my life. So and bro, yeah, bro, let me tell you one thing. Like, if you want to do something different, and basically English will help them. English will help them to. Their English will help to grow fast in your life, and they have. This is the skill. This is the skill they cannot. This is the language. Like, this is not like any assignment, any notes, any something like you can sit the room and just you complete like within the 1 month, 2 months. It took a long time to learn this language, and this is the this is this is, you can say that the gradually process. You can learn this language to gradually day by day this with the practice with the kids a lots of effort. Yeah, once you learn this language, you get comfortable. You can see you can see the like you can see like just you can see like growth. Just you can see the achievement. Just you can see like क्या कर सकते हो what can see what can tell here. What can I tell here? You can see the opportunity after learning this language. After learning this language, this language opens the lots of doors for the this language opens the lots of doors for your job opportunity. Once you learn this language, like just you can think that if you learn this language, you can fluent. If you are fluent this language, then you are giving the you can give the interview of any company where you can speak properly and when the interviewer impress you to get the 70 75 1 lakh job, and this is good for you. This will help them to grow your life, to fulfill our dreams and whatever they have needs, whatever. And now my I have recorded like 5 or 6 hour videos. So my phone storage full. My phone storage um, full. So basically today I upload the video, all of the videos on YouTube. So just and just delete here, and this is the good strategy. And just because when you upload the video and I need to where there is to my store, my phone stores are again comes to record the video, again come to start to record the video. And just I don't think like bro, why does not comes in my mind to why they are saying just flash the SMS here to I don't know. This is like a clean trash. I don't know. I cancel it, and now I move to the next topic. And yesterday I was discussing like should should it, should it replace the will it replace the AI with developer? Will it developer with AI developer? Will it replace the development job with AI? So I can just not replace but reduce the job of development with the job. And the companies, they want the that employee they can work smartly. They don't want this type of work employees. They can make the project. They took a like long. They make the any product or any project to taking a long time, a huge time. So this type of employees they want. So basically, last 1 or 2 year back, TCS are let TCS hired the TCS hired the lots of employees in our company. So just because of they don't use the they use the like old technology. They don't want to learn the new technology, so that they take they take the they took the decision to fire these employees. So like 10 to 15,000 employees get fired in one day. So just you can think that job are mostly AI creates the mostly jobs, but they cannot reduce the job. But they we can just who